Hi, my name is Juan Asturiano from the Politècnica University of Valencia, and we are with some of our colleagues from the Szent Istvan University from Hungary. In the video of today we want to show you the systems and protocols we use to induce the hormonal maturation of the European eels, how we extract the sperm of these animals once they are fully mature, how we analyze or how we evaluate the quality of these sperm samples, and how we cryopreserve these good sperm quality samples.
Immature eels from a local fish farm were moved to our facilities. Once here, fish were gradually acclimatized to seawater at 20 degrees. Male European eels do not mature in captivity. Therefore, they receive a hormonal treatment to induce maturation. Once a week, during 9 weeks, fish were treated with injections of human chorionic gonadotropin. First, anesthetize each fish with benzocaine at an approximate concentration of 60 milligrams per liter. Once anesthetized, weight the fish and inject the hormone intraperitoneally at a dose of 1.5 international units per gram. Thereafter, return the fish to the aquarium and monitor it for a correct recovery.